Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Girard, and today I'll be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself. Reconnecting with you. The best approach to reconnect with our soul and have inner peace in the chaos of today is to cut out distractions. When we're focused merely on the physical world, we have all types of distractions that steer us away from our inner guidance and inner peace. We must learn to be of the world, but not let people conform us to their beliefs and expectations. The world can be a noisy place if we're paying attention to everything and everyone but ourselves. The problem begins when we get too focused on this external reality and forget our true purpose, which is our spiritual evolution. When we focus too much on the external, we get distracted from our beliefs and expectations, which ultimately defines who we are. Then we allow the world to conform us to their ideal of normalcy or reality. Without realizing our change of perception, we allow people to change our beliefs and expectations to thoughts of pessimism, bitterness, and vulnerability. And then we call these thoughts reality. We also allow people to tell us what we can or cannot do. And we focus so much on their perspective that we forget our own power. Words are powerful, and we're consistently hearing words every day. And the more we hear them, the more we contemplate them. And the more we contemplate them, we create that reality. We get accustomed to the other beliefs and expectations, which steers us away from our inner guidance. And in some cases, it steers us away from healing. The universe is creation by God and humanity, and your life is a creation by your past thoughts, words, and actions. What we see in our individual life is a reality created by ourselves and environment and whomever were a part of our lives. The problem begins when we get sidetracked with information that doesn't agree with our inner self, and we allow this information to take root. We get distracted from our soul's purpose, and we allow this distraction to change us into someone we're not. We need to accept everyone's beliefs and expectations while not allowing them to steer us off course and away from our destiny. We should eliminate all beliefs and expectations that don't agree with our higher self and acknowledge the beliefs and expectations which are aligned with our source and creator God. The best approach to reconnecting with you is to spend time every day without any distractions and focus on you and God. 5, 10, or 15 minutes may be enough to give you inner peace and a focus while not allowing the world to change you into someone you're not. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I really liked this article. It's very inspiring. And until next week, thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful week, and have a beautiful day today.